Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Today we will show you how to remove and replace Sunvisor on Land Rover Discovery guys. This is Discovery 2 that we've been working on. You know, we did quite a bit of stuff on that thing. Today we finished with the paint. We're putting some LEDs now and things like that. So yeah, super excited about it. We need to detail it, shine it up. So let's go ahead and remove the Sunvisor now. Show you how to do that guys. So all you have to do, take it down now. Okay, pull it to the from the clip, and now you will need to use a Phillips screwdriver to remove a few screws there. Okay, almost. It will be very short video, guys. I mean, it's simple. It's not too complicated. Okay, that's the third one now. And we have the wire now here that we will need to disconnect. Okay, by pressing down there and pulling apart. Okay, like that. And the Sunvisor is out of there guys, as you can see. So that's the whole procedure. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.